Kapon kap. Ay, kapon kap to. Wadikap.
Sorry ka.
Wadikap kom na. What do you want to eat, my friend?
No eat.
No eat.
Chicken.
No chicken.
No chicken?
No chicken. In Philippines, no chicken. Yes.
About pork?
Pork here, yes, same. Philippines, yeah.
What's your...
Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Where are... Ano?
Where are you from?
Where are you from? Where I came from? Manila, Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Philippines beautiful. Same.
No.
No beautiful.
No.
You Philippine sexy.
Ikaw nagbobola ka
No.
You're teasing me.
What do you mean?
You're teasing me.
Teasing me who?
Me.
You want leaves?
What leaves?
Leaves, you eat some chicken. You can eat leaves.
Oy, that's not
Chef.
allowed. That's not allowed.
Allowed who?
In the Philippines, leaves not allowed.
Not allowed leaves. There's leaves there, Philippines.
Not allowed.
Same.
No, not allowed.
You eat leaves. You patoy.
Mato.
Sep.
Sep.
You eat leaves and you said sep.
Sep.
You say very good. Patoy. Same.
Same.
Yes.
Okay, get me some leaves.
No leaves.
No leaves.
You eat leaves.
Eat leaves.
Letter.
What?
Letter, my friend.
Letter?
You me.
Later?
Yeah. You me.
You me.
Yeah, you me. Lap.
Lap. You me lap?
You me. Lap.
Lap.
No.
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 I thought lap.
You thought. What thought? No.
No, sorry. Okay, I order now.
In Thailand, no lap, no kids.
No lap, no kids?
Yeah, Philippine and Thailand, not same. Here in Thailand, gay.
Gay.
Yeah, I'm gay.
You're gay. You're
Ahoy,
gay.
ahoy.
Ahoy.
You all. No, same.
Woman.
No, woman.
No, I'm woman.
You woman.
I'm woman.
Ahoy. No, woman. You.
No, I'm woman.
No, woman. Me gay.
You're gay.
Me.
Ahoy. Sep.
Sep.
Oy, Sep. Order food. Bring here leaves.
Order food. You want leaves?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I want you.
Hoy! I already told you, I'm a gay.
Okay, it's okay. Gay,
Not
okay.
a woman. Woman, not good.
Why?
Woman, not good.
Why?
They have piece of meat.
Piece of meat?
Sepoy.
Sepoy?
Hoy!
It's okay. It's delicious.
Not delicious.
Yeah,
Women, delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
No, gay delicious.
No, just
In Thailand.
Wait,
there's-
you have to taste it first.
Hoy! No.
No.
In Thailand, there's a lot of gay here. Yes. There's a lot of gay here. Gay is beautiful and no. No gay, no man.
No, kiss no man.
You boy is you. You not boy.
I'm boy. I'm
No.
boy.
No.
I just changed my,
You not change. Don't wash.
You bad.
Not bad. But Philippine I like.
Why?
They not beautiful, but they funny.
Panis?
Funny.
Pane.
Funny.
And they're funny.
Yep.
Oh, they're funny.
Toy.
Hi. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not funny.
What is
I'm just, yummy.
Oh.
Hoy.
No.
No.
No. Not same.
Same. Anyway, get some leaves here. And then we're done.
What do you mean leaves? Philippine not eating leaves.
I thought you're offering me some leaves here.
I offering you leaves because it's appetizer.
Yeah, appetizer. Bring them here.
You dip into the
Where is it? Can you bring it here?
you're not in Lestolan.
Lestolan?
Yes.
Lestolan. Restaurant.
Aha.
Restaurant. Okay. Alright.
Well,
So what can you offer?
I offer my love.
Uy! Oh.
Love for a plane. Not
Love
for you know what I mean.
Love for a friend only.
Yeah, because I'm a gay.
Can I see your body?
No. No.
How about
Body crap.
some of the crap? How about
Now, I'm offer you my my dance. They call it pakbombo.
pak boom boom, pak boom boom, pak boom?
Oh, not
No.
same. Pakbombom, sorry, pakbombom, sorry, pakbombom, say krong tabdok, talong.
Oh.
Because I have
Can you
no-
repeat your pak boom boom?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Pakbombom, sorry, pakbombom, pakbombom, sorry, pakbombom, say krong tabdok, talong. Because I don't have the talong.
Oh, we don't have a talong.
Yeah, same, Philippine, no have talong.
Oh yeah, just have talong, but you don't have talong?
Some more,
Nasa mall.
talong.
It's in the mall.
That's why, we prepared to K.
Gay.
Yeah, that's why we prepare to K because we have samol tayong.
Some more.
Samol.
Sa mall, meron talong. Ah,
No,
in mall,
no.
there's talong.
Samol. Samol.
Small.
Ah, come. That's why we song pakbombom.
Ah, I see.
Oy,
Pakbombom.
Sep.
I see.
You like
Small
my song pakbombom?
Yeah, can you do it again?
I repeat.
Yes,
Yeah,
with talong. So,
pakbombom, say pakbombom, say pakbombom, say ko ano hap talong. I don't have talong.
I don't have talong.
Me, don't have talong.
But you want to have a talong?
No,
No?
in Thailand, you can put it talong.
Uy.
Yeah.
What? So you have one there?
If you have plenty of many.
Oh, can you put like 3 talongs?
Yes.
Why?
That's why I sing pakbombom, say pakbombom, say pakbombom. Say crow, I don't have talong.
Oh, I see. It's okay. You can just
No, it's okay.
Ah, it's okay.
That's why I'm gay.
Ah,
You are gay.
yeah, I'm gay.
Huwag kayong gay.
I'm trans woman.
Oo.
Uy,
Boy.
No.
No. You Sep?
Sep.
Sepcom.
Sepcom. Sawadika.
No. You say goodbye. Kapun kap.
Kapun kap.
Yeah.
Kapun
In
kap.
English, in Tagalog, salamat.
Salamat.
Yes.
Kapun kap.
Kapun kap. Pakbombom.